Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed 23 problems in level 1. Now I am going to discuss that 24th onwards. These are variable separable method. See the first question, there is 24th question. What they are given? 1 plus e power x into y dy, that is equal to e power x dx. So 1 plus e power x, send right hand side. So remaining I am writing y dy, that is equal to right hand side e power x already is there, e power x, and left hand side 1 plus e power x and right hand side. So we get like this. So finally we are separated variables. Apply the integration. What we get? Integration y dy, that is equal to integration e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. Integration y dy, that is y square by 2. Integration y dy, y square by 2. But right hand side, observe that integration e power x by 1 plus e power x. That is in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x. What is the formula? Log of f of x now. So log of 1 plus e power x plus constant. By observing the options I am writing, that is log c. So y square by 2, see the right hand side, log a plus log b, like that is there. That is, we can write log ab, that is c into 1 plus e power x. So finally we got this is the answer. So which option is correct, students? Third option is correct. Now go to the 25th question. What they are given? Y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Y dx is equal to x dy. Now separate the variables. X I am sending left hand side, and left hand side y sending to right hand side. Apply the integration. Integration dx by x, that is equal to integration dy by y. Now how to do this? Integration 1 by x dx, that is log x, that is equal to here log y plus some constant, that is I am writing log c. So log x, that is equal to right hand side log a plus log b, that is log ab. Now we get the answer. X is equal to cy, or x is equal to cy not there, y is equal to cx is there. Constant send right left hand side, you will get y is equal to 1 by c into x. C is constant, then 1 by c also constant or not? So I am writing. So answer is x is equal to cy is correct and y is equal to cx also correct. Both are correct. By observing the options, third option is correct. See here, particularly this one, x dy plus y dx is equal to 0. X dy plus y dx means, that is we can write derivative of xy. Then apply UV rule, you will get x dy plus y dx. Now here apply integration on both sides. Integration derivative of xy, that is equal to 0. Derivative integration cancel xy, that is equal to, you will get c. Are you understood how I am writing? This is first one. Now go to the second one. This is y dx minus x dy divided by y square. That meaning is derivative of x by y. This is apply the UV rule, u by v rule, you will get this. So apply integration on both sides. Integration derivative of x by y, that is equal to 0. Derivative integration cancel. You will get the solution of the differential equation like this. xy is equal to c. Okay. Now see the third one. Third one. What is say here? Third one. X dy minus y dx divided by x square is there. That means we can write derivative of y by x is equal to 0. Yes or no? Now apply integration on both sides. You will get integration derivative of y by x is equal to 0. Now the solution of the differential equation is y by x is equal to c. Okay. Now see the fourth one. Y into e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square is equal to 0. That is derivative of e power x divided by y is equal to 0 only. Apply the integration. Finally, you will get the answer e power x by y, that is equal to c. Okay. So these steps are important, how we are writing. Students, are you understood? Now, fifth one, how to write, students? That is derivative of e power y divided by x is equal to 0. Okay. Now, see the sixth one. How to write this? Numerator and denominator. Or denominator take x square common. X square common. You will get like this. X square into 1 plus y square by x square. Numerator, that is x dy minus y dx. Okay. Now these total part, how to write, students? That is derivative of y by x divided by 1 plus y by x whole square is equal to 0. Apply the integration. What happened here? Y by x is equal to t. So then derivative of y by x will come. That means this is in the form of integration f dash of x by 1 plus f square of x. Then what is the formula here? Tan inverse of f of x. That means tan inverse of y by x, that is equal to c. Same as seventh one. But here we got tan inverse of y by x. There you will get tan inverse of x by y. Denominator, take y square common. Okay. Now eighth one, see that how we are writing. X dy plus y dx divided by xy. Now how to write, student, this is? So we can write x dy plus y dx divided by x square into y by x. Y by x is equal to 0. So this is finally we can write integration derivative of y by x divided by y by x. So this is in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x. So what will come? Logarithm of y by x, that is equal to c. These are the short forms. How we are writing this? Okay. Similarly, ninth one also. Ninth one, how to write, students? Same like that only, but derivative of x by y divided by x by y, that is equal to 0. Here you will get the answer logarithm of x by y, that is equal to c. Now Ninth one completed. See this? I think so. This is eighth one. This is ninth one. But these one I am written mistake. So numerator, what is there here? Plus. So that is, we can write integration derivative of xy divided by xy. Okay, students, this is also integration f dash of x by f of x. We get log xy is equal to c. So this is, so we can write like, now eighth one how I am written, ninth one also how I am written, you know very well. Now see the last one, this is 10th one. How to write this? X dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square is there. Here do one thing, divide with 2 and multiply with 2. So what will come? 2x dx plus 2y dy divided by x square plus y square is equal to 0. And 1 by 2 into numerator, that is derivative of x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square. This is in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x only. What is the formula? 1 by 2 into log f of x. That means log x square plus y square is equal to some constant. These 1 by 2 sent to power. Here you will get now. So that means logarithm of under root x square plus y square is equal to c. Students, how I am converting? All of you understood now? Right. Question number 26. The solution of the differential equation y dx minus x dy plus 3x square y square e power x cube dx. Now here divide on both sides with y square. What happens, students? Y dx minus x dy divided by y square plus, here numerator already y square is there, 3x square y square e power x cube dx divided by y square, that is equal to 0. So y square cancel. The first term, how to write the students? Derivative of x by y plus, here e power x cube into 3x square dx, that is derivative of x cube only, is equal to 0. Now apply integration on both sides. Integration derivative of x by y plus integration e power x cube derivative of x cube is equal to 0. So here derivative integration is going to cancel. Now we get x by y plus second term e power x cube, that is equal to some constant. Now x plus y into e power x cube, that is equal to cy. Observe the options. Which option is correct? So need to do some more calculation. X plus y e power x cube cy, right hand side is there, send to left hand side. This is the answer. So second option is correct. 27th question. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to -1, the particular solution of the differential equation 1 plus y square dx plus 1 plus x square dy is equal to 0 is. These type of models important in mains particularly. So here 1 plus y square into dx plus 1 plus x square into dy. First separate the variables. Now dx divided by 1 plus x square sent to denominator to the first term and 1 plus y square sent to denominator to the second term. Now apply the integration dx by 1 plus x square plus integration dy by 1 plus y square is equal to 0. Here already you know very well integration 1 by 1 plus x square means that is tan inverse of x plus second one also same like that tan inverse of y that is equal to what we can write. I am going to write tan inverse of c. Tan inverse of c, or otherwise you can write only c, no problem. There is no issue. I am writing c. But here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1 given. So by using those values, so we want to find c value because see the options, there is no c. We want to eliminate that. Now I am taking x value 0. See, tan inverse of 0 plus tan inverse of y means that is minus 1, that is equal to c. Tan inverse of 0, 0. So I am writing tan inverse of minus 1 same like that, or otherwise you can write tan inverse of minus 1 means that is minus pi by 4 also, no problem. Okay, now c value substitute here in this equation, we get tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to what is c? That is tan inverse of minus 1. In left hand side we know that formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, that is equal to tan inverse of minus 1. Now left hand side tan inverse sent to right hand side, tan of tan inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse is going to cancel. So you will get like this, x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to minus 1. Now here do the calculation. X plus y that is equal to minus 1 plus xy. Now by observing the options I am calculating x plus y, minus 1 sent to left hand side, that is plus 1 is equal to xy. This is the answer. Students, which option is correct? Second option. The solution of e power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x into secant square y. E power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x secant square y dy. Now here 1 minus e power x sent to this side and tan y sent to other side. Then finally you will get like this, e power x divided by 1 minus e power x dx plus secant square y divided by tan y dy. So here variables are separated. Now apply the integration on both sides. Integration e power x by 1 minus e power x dx plus integration secant square y divided by tan y dy, that is equal to 0. Now see the first term. So here we need minus. So I am writing outside minus. Then only it is going to convert in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x dx or not. So now apply the integration, what we get? Minus logarithm of 1 minus e power x plus this is also integration f dash of x by f of x, like that is here we get logarithm of tan y. Then students, right hand side, what I want to write, tell me. That is log c only, because left hand side log terms are there. In left hand side, see that log a minus log b, like that is what is the formula? Log a by b. A means tan y, b means 1 minus e power x, that is equal to log c. Now tan y divided by 1 minus e power x, that is equal to c. Now what is the answer? Tan y, that is equal to c into 1 minus e power x. This is the final answer. So first option is correct. The solution of 3 into e power x cos square y dx, 3 into e power x cos square y dx plus 1 minus e power x into cot y dy is equal to 0. Here cos square y, send that side, and 1 minus e power x, send this side. Now overall you will get 3 e power x by 1 minus e power x dx plus cot y divided by cos square y dy is equal to 0. Now variables are separated. Apply the integration. 3 take outside. This model already we are completed in previous problem. Denominator 1 minus e power x is there. Derivative of that minus e power x or not. That's why minus right here and here also. Minus e power x by 1 minus e power x dx plus integration 1 by cos square y means secant square y. Cot y means 1 by tan y. See here, then only it is going to convert in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x. Now tell me what is the integration here? Logarithm of 1 minus e power x plus second term logarithm of tan y, that is equal to constant. I am writing in terms of logarithm only because left hand side logarithm is there. Now how to do this? How to do this? So here minus logarithm of, this is, I am going to write like this, 3 is going to power plus logarithm of tan y is equal to log c. By observing the options I am calculating here, e power x minus 1 whole cube is there. 1 minus e power x or e power x minus 1, we get same like that, I think. Okay. Now this is logarithm of tan y divided by 1 minus e power x whole cube is equal to log c. Now here I am writing, students, tan y divided by 1 minus e power x whole cube, that is equal to C. Tan y, by observing the options I am writing. See here 1 minus e power x whole cube, but here see that e power x minus 1 whole cube. So that means take minus common. So tan y minus c plus c, whatever may be, that is constant only. So no. So final answer is tan y is equal to c into e power x minus 1 whole cube. Fourth option is correct.